Okay, here we go then, part 3. The fitting of parts. Now those keen-eyed amongst you will notice there's been a change. You see this tube, the top tube, has got a kink in it now, and those rails flow nicer. Fucking look at that silhouette. That is fucking lush. A friend of mine, I'll call him a friend, an associate who shall remain nameless, Barney. Lots of love. He came and had a look, right? So I don't have callers in the week because I'm fucking here doing it or I'm at home. He came and had a look and said those immortal words, didn't you think of putting a kick down in the top tube, Ralfy? And I was like, oh, I gave him some, yeah, I weren't sure about the filters and the cover and the tank and stuff, and I just, fucking hell, all night. So all night I'm looking at pictures. I ain't even shitting. All that evening I'm looking at pictures, and I came to the conclusion that first thing this morning, I'd be chopping it up and doing that fucker. So that's what I've done. Much, much, much happier.